In the first question of this exercise, it is given a matchbox measures 4 centimeter into 2.5 centimeter into 1.5 centimeters. What will be the volume of a packet containing 12 such matchboxes? So the dimensions of a matchbox are given and it is asking what will be the volume of a packet containing 12 such boxes. So it means firstly we have to find the uh, volume of the one matchbox and then we will multiply it by 12. That will give us the volume of that packet which contains 12 such boxes. So let's write what is given. Length is 4 centimeters, breadth is 2.5 centimeters and height is 1.5 centimeters. As it is a matchbox, it will be cuboidal in shape. So length is 4, breadth is 2.5 and height is 1.5. So let's find the volume of this first. So volume of one matchbox. It will be volume of a cuboid is L into B into H. So substitute the values 4 into 2.5 into 1.5. When we multiply this, we will get the answer 15 cubic centimeters. So this is the volume of one matchbox. If now we have to find the volume of complete packet. So volume of packet containing 12 matchboxes. So we will multiply volume of one matchbox by 12. So 12 multiplied by 15. The answer will be 180 cubic centimeters. So this will be the volume of one packet which contains 12 such matchboxes.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.